Where was the 17th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant 2025 between India and Mongolia held? Correct option is B. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Who became the fastest batsman to complete 13,000 runs in Test cricket history in terms of the fewest innings in June? Right option is C. Joe Root. Who was appointed as the new National Brand Ambassador for Cybersecurity by the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Centre in October 2025? Correct option is D. Rashmika Mandanna. Who became the youngest captain of the USA Ryder Cup team since 1963, appointed in 2025? Right option is A. Keegan Bradley. What position did Neeraj Chopra secure in the javelin throw event in Poland? Right option is B. Second. What was the name of the first successful flight test for the Gaganyaan mission's crew module safety check conducted by ISRO? Right option is A. TVD-1. What was the official theme of World Environment Day 2025? Correct option is D. Beat plastic pollution. Which political party won the Nagrota Assembly by-election in Jammu and Kashmir in November 2025? Right option is B. BJP. When did the RBI decide to cut the repo rate for the first time in 5 years? Correct option is A. On 7th February 2025. Who was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 in the field of literature and education? Right option is A. Tin Vasudevan Nair. Which organization launched the 6th edition of the Girl Empowerment Mission in June 2025? Correct option is C. NTPC Limited. What percentage of seats is reserved for women in the direct recruitment of Uttar Pradesh Police? Right option is B. 20%. Who set a new world record of 6.28 meters in men's pole vault at the Stockholm Diamond League in July 2025? Correct option is A. Armand Duplantis. Reflex actions, like pulling a hand away from a hot object, are primarily controlled by which part of the body? Right option is B. Spinal cord. When black copper oxide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, the solution turns blue due to the formation of. Correct option is B. Copper sulfate. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine gas on which substance? Right option is D. Dry slake lime. Why do stars appear to twinkle in the night sky? Correct option is C. Atmospheric refraction. Which principle of Louis de Broglie states that matter exhibits both wave and particle properties? Right option is B. Dual nature of matter. When a metal carbonate reacts with an acid, which main products are formed? Correct option is B. Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. What is the effect on the speed of a body moving in uniform circular motion? Right option is A. It remains constant. For a small aperture spherical mirror, what is the correct relationship between radius of curvature and focal length? Correct option is C. R is equal to 2F. What is the SI unit of work done? Right option is C. Joule. Which of the following best describes the physical structure of an amoeba? Correct option is B. Irregular and constantly changing. What is the sum of the total number of protons and neutrons in an atomic nucleus called? Right option is B. Mass number. Which rule is used to find the direction of induced current in a generator or conductor moving in a magnetic field? Correct option is D. Fleming's right-hand rule. According to the India State of Forest Report 2023, what percentage of India's total geographical area is under forest cover? Right option is B. 21.76%. The value of acceleration due to gravity increases when you go? Right option is A, from equator to poles. A stethoscope works on which principle of sound? Correct option is C, multiple reflection of sound. Where has Asia's largest rail operations command center been recently inaugurated? Correct option is C, Sabarmati, Gujarat. Sane Takaichi has become the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Correct option is D, Japan. Which city has become India's dirtiest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025? Correct option is C, Madurai. Which country was elected as a member of the Interpol Asian Committee during the 25th Asian Regional Conference? Correct option is D, India. Which film has been selected as India's official entry to the Oscars 2026? Correct option is B, Homebound. India conducted a test launch of which missile from a rail-based mobile launcher for the first time? Correct option is B, Agni Prime. Which country launched the world's first AI-powered bank, RYT Bank? Correct option is A, Malaysia. Indian Navy conduct its first bilateral maritime exercise maiden with which country? Correct option is C, Greece. Who became the first Indian to take 100 wickets in T20 international cricket? Correct option is D, Arshdeep Singh. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct option is D, 30th. In which state will India's first PM Mitra Park be built? Correct option is C, Madhya Pradesh. Which medal did the Indian hockey team win in the Women's Asia Cup 2025? Correct option is C, silver medal. Who launched the Never Alone AI app? Correct option is B, AIMS Delhi. Which government declared 2025 as the Year of Urban Development in October? Correct option is A, Gujarat. Who has written the book Operation Sindoor? Correct option is B, KJS Dhillon. According to the Civil Registration System report, which state recorded the lowest sex ratio at birth in 2023? Correct option is C, Jharkhand. Which country has announced the development of its first indigenous malaria vaccine, Adfalcivax? Correct option is C, India. Where did the 28th National Conference on E-Governance 2025 begin? Correct option is D, Visakhapatnam. What is the mascot of the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Correct option is A, Jalveer. The Barabee-Serang railway line connects which northeastern capital to the Indian railway network for the first time? Correct option is C, Aswal. In which country did India's first overseas Atal Innovation Centre open? Correct option is B, Abu Dhabi.